What's going on, guys? I'm actually running a bit late. We're actually meant to come in here, and if you guys know plant-based Maori / raniere, he's one of my good friends. He's starting these workshops, which is actually pretty awesome. I'm gonna go check it out, so come and have a look. I'll grab the camera and I'll walk in with it, and then I'll just hand it back to you.
Yeah, you're working on skeleton crews and you're working with all these emotions.
Hey!
Kia ora, kia ora.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks, bro. Yeah, come on, we're just doing chicken. How
Choice. Oh, this is Victoria, by the way.
Victoria.
Alright, if you find I'm just like going around and I'm just cracking up to myself, because it's just so much like good things happening.
So far it's been absolutely awesome. At the moment we're just having some food and it's been really cool. We've played a few games, all thanks to my man Raniere here. He hosts this and it's absolutely amazing. I'm having a blast. So I'm going to go up and get some food now, and you're going to come and join me, and we're going to go and eat, and it's going to be amazing.
Don't you know, it is getting hard, hard. I need secrets of me. I need hard I need hard.
With the starter collar drone.
How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
How is it?
Well, this is my second spoon of it, from the crock pot, second portion.
It's good though, right? Unfortunately, I didn't bring my wide angle lens, so everything's gonna look very zoomed in when I vlog like this. That's why I got Victoria on the camera vlogging me. But I also want to try out something different within someone filming me for a change instead of me holding the camera. I feel like it's more outstanding and withdrawing. So we're gonna try more of that, but the vibe in here is awesome. So we're just gonna enjoy this as well.
Under the stars.
So that is a wrap, guys. There's one more left next week, unfortunately, because this is such positive vibes. We're eating good people. The time right now is actually 10 to 10 p.m. As you can see outside, it's really dark. But this is a different type of vlog. So if you watched it all the way through, thank you so much. But if it doesn't interest you, or if it didn't interest you, thank you for watching anyway. I'm happy with that. But if you guys got any video suggestions, please chuck it below. And we're just gonna wait for Raniere to finish talking so we can film an outro with him. So, see you guys then. Before we actually go to Raniere, I want to introduce you to Jack. Are you cool to be on the vlog? Sweet. No worries. So Jack, he's a very inspirational person on Instagram. I'll link his page below, but he puts some really inspirational stuff on his Instagram stories, and I encourage you guys to go check them out, as it's like daily positivity. So this is my man Jack right here. I met this guy 2 weeks ago, and I already feel like I'm close with him because we've opened up with each other through these workshops, and it's been awesome to meet you, man.
So mean, bro.
It's been absolutely awesome. So I'm gonna link your Instagram below.
True. Yeah.
So,
Sweet. Thank you.
Hopefully you get a bit of followers out of that.
Mean.
But yeah. So, be Jack. This has been awesome.
Gangster.
How do you feel about this? How do you feel about everything that's happened?
Bro, it's totally just opened my mind up heaps. Like I've just, it's made me realise a lot about myself and a lot about how, you know, what you're going through might be what other people are also going through. So it's made me feel like it's more normal for that to happen because other people are going through it, so and then you get to talk about it with other people and then just getting filled up with that positive energy, bro, just getting like it's just choice, like yeah man, like
Awesome.
and yeah, just meeting people like yourself, brother, making new contacts and connections. Yeah, it's just awesome, bro.
As I said, this guy's a motivational person, so you guys got to give him a follow and check his stories out because every day he posts some daily motivation and positivity. Man.
Cheers, brother.
Well, it's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, man.
I'll see you next week.
Yeah, for sure, brother. Jump for that one.
It was actually a bit of a rush trying to get here as work was in the way, and I was actually half an hour late, which I'm never this late with coming to important things like this. I'll wait till he finishes his mouthful, but Raniera!
No.
I need you in the vlog. I just need you in the vlog. So this guy is super inspirational. I have inspired off him for a little while. I got like chocolate. Oh, even better. Makes the vlog stand out. This guy also has a vlog. I will link his Instagram and YouTube below. He is the one who hosted these workshops. Now, I told the vlog that you're going to give like just a quick description of the main goal of these workshops.
So, main goal of these workshops was just to bring like-minded people into one space, just to be more intentional about how they're spending their time or investing into themselves or personal development. And especially when you're on this journey of putting time into yourself, it can be quite challenging. So when you see people who are on the same journey, it only encourages you to keep on the course. So that's the main thing about it, and you know, we're just seeing the fruits of it and the amazing connections that are coming out of it. So yeah, that's the gist.
Choice. You guys probably actually know this guy. Do you still work in Saltaire? Used to?
Used to.
Yeah, that's how I actually met this guy. I saw him in Saltaire and stuff, and I actually didn't even find his Instagram beforehand. It was actually Teopita who actually pointed me to it, and ever since then I've just been onto it with this guy.
All over it. Too much, brother.
Absolutely love it, man. Well, it was good seeing you tonight, man.
Sweet, one more. Oh, you better make it next time. And bring your lady.
Nah, yeah, for sure. And I'll make it on time as well.
Yeah, hard, because it's the last one.
Yeah, we've got to make it a good one. But even after, you are local, so
that's it.
You'll definitely see him in the vlog a lot more.
This is only the first series, we've got more to come.
So much more. Oh, man. I hope you have a good night then, eh? I just want to thank everyone who is watching the vlog, talking specifically to the ones who actually came to these workshops. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for sharing your experiences, as it was awesome. But we're going to go into the dark now, so I'm going to end the vlog there, as this was the only place with light. So, without further ado, I'm going to end it on a Superman punch. Goodbye.